So hi guys, this video is about how a video streaming app called Ditto, developed using AI, saved around 240 hours. So I would be going over it. It's a just summary of the article. I would pin the article as part of the description. You can just go and read the entire article if you want. I'm just going to give you a summary of that. So this video streaming app, right, Ditto, just saved around 240 hours of work, and it was developed using Locofy.ai. So Ditto, an online dating app using Locofy.ai to generate native code for their live video streaming dating app. So Locofy.ai reduced the complexity and the time required to convert design into code, allowing Ditto to focus on building unique features for their app. The generated code was of high quality, receiving around 8 to 10 overall ranking. The modular nature of the code made it easy for Ditto to integrate a backend using Spring Boot. Locofy.ai saved around 240 hours of work. This is a large amount of work it has saved of the dev effort. Ditto main challenge was writing responsive and extensible reactive native code, which was time consuming. Existing plugins did not meet their requirement or provide satisfactory support. So Locofy.ai provided to be an ideal solution for Ditto. So the generated code was production ready. That's the main point, and becoming an essential part of the Ditto workflow. With Locofy.ai, handling code generation was great, and Ditto was able to focus on improving the unique selling proposition like seamless video calling. So basically they used Figma as their UI prototyping. They used this Figma prototyping, and they fed into Locofy.ai and using web framework, I think Reactive framework, and it was able to generate the code for the entire UI using React. So you download the code, which is actually a modular, where you can add still authentication and things and build your backend service. That's what they have done. So the benefits of Locofy.ai, that's what they claim. What are the benefits that AI achieved? So one is generating production ready code, extensible code, and deep integration with GitHub, and customization of UI libraries. The generated code can be split into modules and making it easier to implement like dynamic features, authentication, and databases and animations and etc. So another company called Freshworks, the CEO told to a news article saying that normally a work in his company takes around 8 to 10 weeks, but he did not mention what's the work, but let's roughly tell that it takes around 2 to 2.5 months. So he told using GPT, it took only few days of work to complete the work. So generally he specifies that writing code has saved a lot of dev effort. So let's take the lowest one, say that 2 months also. 2 months to few days is a huge productivity for developers. And I think so I have practically done certain code generation to see how we can generate small Spring Boot applications. So it's great, really great. You can try out ChatGPT or even Google Bard. So they are very effective in generating code. So that's it for this video. Catch you up in the next video.